What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cloudflare WARP when it shows disconnected. If WARP isn't connecting properly, follow these simple steps. First, open the Cloudflare One client on your computer. On the left side, click Settings. From here, look through the available settings and check your connection options. If WARP is disabled for your current Wi-Fi or wired network, make sure those options are turned off so WARP is allowed to connect. Next, go back to the left side menu and click Connectivity. This is where you can check WARP's connection status and connection settings. If WARP is still disconnected, go back to Home and click Connect. Give it a few moments to establish the connection. Once the status changes to connected, your WARP connection is working again. And that's it. These quick checks can help resolve common WARP connection problems without reinstalling the app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.